Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 22. The Rudras, Adityas, Vasus, Sadhyas, Vishwa Devas, the two Ashwins, Maruts, Ushmapas, and hosts of Gandharvas, Yakshas, Asuras, and Siddhas, they are all looking at you, all quite astonished.
Chapter 11, Shloka 22. Rudraditya vasavo yecha sadhya vishveshvino marutaschoshmabhasya gandharva yaksha surasiddha sangha vikshante tvam vismitaschaiva sarve.
Chapter 11, Shloka 22. How then did the gods of the heavens react to the spectacular vision of the cosmic man in action? Arjuna says that among the hosts of beings there are deities who are looking at the universal form and stand struck with wonder and astonishment. They are the spirits of destruction, the sun, the lords of the seasons, the spirits of the sky, the lesser gods, lords, the horsemen twins, the storm lords, the heat drinkers, the hosts of heavenly musicians, yakshas, asuras, and siddhas, who have been described earlier. We have to understand the general effect produced on Arjuna by the vision of the totality and the different reactions created in different types of minds, each according to its own intrinsic capacity, comprehended and appreciated the entire vision of universe, so crystallized into the definite shapeless shape. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.